What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. If you were looking for opportunities to buy different cryptocurrencies, right now is probably one of the best times to do that. Now, I don't know when this video will actually release, but as of right now, which is 2:29 p.m., this is a crazy opportunity to buy different positions. And what position I'm talking about here today is JasmyCoin. I mentioned it in my last video kind of briefly, but then started to go off into a little bit of a tangent. JasmyCoin is at a phenomenal price right now. Whether you're talking about buying it outright, leverage trading, or just continuing the dollar cost average down, right? It is a phenomenal position and it is at a phenomenal price. Now, you can take it for whatever it's worth. You can say, oh, this is the worst position ever, or this is the best position ever. I'm giving you my opinion, what I'm doing with my play, how much I still hold, and what I would do if it did continue to drop down, right? Anyways, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. Now, also, if you wanted to leverage trade JasmyCoin, before you even get into buying it on Coinbase or anything like that, if you wanted to leverage trade JasmyCoin up to a 50x leverage, I believe, you can do that on BTCC. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link down below at the top of the description. Also, you can get extra bonuses up to $10,055 and 40% lower trading fees. So if you're very interested in leverage trading, JasmyCoin, if you're very interested in a 50x leverage or even just a 2 to 5 to 10x leverage, feel free to check it out down below. Link is in the description. Now, if you don't know, I've been talking about JasmyCoin for a long time. I don't even know how long at this point. The price that I bought at was 40% of a penny. It is currently not at 40% of a penny. The high point that it hit was about 6 cents. So just getting up to 4 cents, I'm looking at a 10x from where I invested up to a level of 4 cents. Phenomenal to see, which it did get to previously, dropped down to about 2 cents or a little bit lower, and then increased up to 6 cents. So saw a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and honestly, I would have loved to bought more if it found a way to come back down to my 40% of a penny level. 100%, right? I don't want to raise my cost basis, but I do want to gather more. I would gather probably multiple millions of JasmyCoin, not dollars, but multiple millions of coins, just because I know where it's going to go. And if I had the money during that time, I would have continued to invest more. But I have 1 million JasmyCoin. But I've been investing for a very long time in that position to get me up to 1 million coins. And I think a lot of people started to see the hype and started to see the attention as time went on. We started to gain some traction on YouTube, started to gain some traction on many other platforms. And you could see how many people were like, this might be it. This might be something that goes from $100 million market cap up to a, 2 billion, 20 billion, 40 billion, $50 billion market cap because of what it means, right? We all know that data really controls this world, and having any type of control over your own data is phenomenal to think about, especially where we stand right now with hacks, security issues, dealing with physical cash and just trying to more live on the digital side of things. But knowing that you live on the digital side of things and knowing that there's a lot of things you don't understand over there, being able to control exactly where your data is a big deal, right? So that's where JasmyCoin comes in, and I feel as though some people understand it, some people don't, but as a form of an investment, like all of you guys care about, it has so much potential to grow from where it is right now. So JasmyCoin right now is down one of the most in the top 100, right? It's down by 17% in the last 24 hours, right? It's at a current price of 1.3 cents. This is the lowest that we've seen it in a very, very long time. I've seen it at levels of 1.6. I've seen it at levels of 1.5, but seeing it at 1.3, seeing it finding its ways to get closer and closer to less than 1 cent, it opens up doors. It opens up opportunities. For some people, it opens up fear because they bought it at 2 cents or bought it at 3 cents. And it's understandable. Everybody buys at different places. In order for you to get up to a level of 4 cents, people have to buy at 3 cents. In order for you to get up to the level of 6 cents, people have to buy at 5 cents. So I understand. You might be holding on for dear life, but what I recommend, and this is just me, I recommend dollar cost averaging down, right? You can be able to bring your price down, add more JasmyCoin, still believe in it above your original price point, and see so much more success than what you would have seen in the beginning. Does that make sense? But it's very risky because you're risking a little bit more money. Now, with JasmyCoin, let's go into where it stands and the previous highs that it hit and all that stuff there. So again, you're seeing it at 1.35 cent level, $667 million market cap with $63 million worth of volume, almost $64 million worth of volume. The total supply is about 50 billion, with the circulating supply being 49.44 billion, meaning that majority of the supply is out there. If you don't know, JasmyCoin hit a max price of $4.99. Does that mean it can get to $4.99? That doesn't mean it 100% can. The reason why it was up at that level, it had less supply during that time, meaning that even though you saw a higher price, it wasn't at a higher market cap. It was at about a $1 billion, $1.3 billion market cap. So seeing where it is recently at a $2 billion market cap, $4 billion market cap, that's something that feels great just to see. And I understand where it can get to a lot further than that, right? So the low for the last 24 hours, again, 1.3 cents. The high is at 1.6 cents. The overall high for the last year was about that 6 cent mark, while the overall low was 1.3 cents. So around where we are today, or where we were today, right? This has two S-tier exchanges. Binance and Coinbase, two S-tier exchanges, while also having tier 1 exchanges and 128 other trading pairs that are there. So it has the opportunity, it has the ability to grow a lot further. Now, what I hold in JasmyCoin, actually, let's look at this a little bit closer and look at the market cap side of things as well. So if we go to all history, you're going to see where that was here, but it was also sitting at a $1.3 billion market cap at those levels, at those high levels, but was very, very low for quite some time as they added more supply and then found a way to get up to almost that $3 billion market cap level. Now, seeing it kind of collapse all the way down below this point, even below a $800 million market cap, down to a $600 million market cap. This is something that I look at and I'm like, yeah, these kids are screaming upstairs. I don't know why they're screaming upstairs, but this is something that I look at and I go, all right, it has so much potential from here all the way up to here, all the way up to that $3 million market cap level, $3 billion market cap level. But that's not where I'm looking to stop. I didn't sell any of my JasmyCoin. I still hold all of it. If we look at how much I hold, right, just to go into my detail before we kind of get out of here, I hold $13,450.01. I hold 1 million JasmyCoin. I bought 1 million JasmyCoin then, still hold 1 million JasmyCoin now. You can see my average is 40% of a penny. My unrealized gain is about $9,000, 235% up. And the total return today is down, about 17% on that money. Now, I've seen this go all the way up to a value of about $60,000 for my entire amount. And now it's down to $13,000. Yes, if you time the market and you found a way to accurately time the market, you could have made so much money just being able to sell at those levels and buy back in your million at the low levels. But I hold on for the long term because of what JasmyCoin is going to be in the altcoin season, as well as altcoin seasons after that. So what I typically do is I will leverage trade on BTCC and, sparingly make my moves as I see these low levels, which I will do now, buying some JasmyCoin at a lower level, at a higher leverage, and being able to make money in the short term while I'm still holding my JasmyCoin that's over here, my 1 million JasmyCoin, without having to try and time the market. And essentially I could be out of the play altogether, right? If I bought at 60, or I bought it 40% of a penny and sold at 6 cents and had $60,000, who's to say that that wouldn't go to 7 cents and 8 and 9 and 10 cents and then absolutely skyrocket from there and be worth so much more, and I missed out on so much opportunity, right? So it's not something that's scaring me. It's something that I look at and I'm like, this is an opportunity if I can find it low enough. But for you, maybe you bought in at 2 cents. Maybe you bought in at 3 cents. This is an opportunity to buy in and be a part of that in a larger scale, a larger amount. But again, this is all my opinion. I'm not trying to persuade you to do anything. You could do whatever you want, but I see so much potential in JasmyCoin. That's why I still hold my 1 million. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Make sure you check out my links for BTCC, Patreon, Twitter, all of that stuff down in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.